It seems the constitutional reforms are hinged upon old outstanding issues, and no resolution means no or partial reforms. This is the Awami National Party's stance. The ANP is at odds with the largest opposition party, PMLN, over the renaming of the Northwest Frontier Province as Pakhtunkhwa. But the PMLN questions why the ANP agreed to the name NWFP at the first place.
Khan Abdul Wali Khan and Arbab Sikandar Khan Khalil, who are the stalwarts of the party and who are the very big names in the party, they never raised this issue of renaming of the province at the time of 1973 constitution.
But for the ANP, the constitution is not a rigid document and can be amended. The ANP feels betrayed by the PMLN, which in the past refused to honor its commitment to rename the frontier province. Now the trust deficit is quite visible.
Actually, it's very strange. Only one party and in three factions. They are opposing us. I think I'm not responsible. I'm not responsible.
No, but what is your analysis? If it is not renamed,
then we'll say, all right, we approve this thing, we support this thing, and we'll not support some things, some parts of the package.
These differences may hamper the progress of a parliamentary committee preparing a constitutional reforms package. The PMLN has proposed names other than Pakhtunkhwa for the frontier province.
The Sindh, which is originated in Hazara division and it is in the northern areas, when it runs through the frontier province, it is known as Abbasin. We said we can propose it as Abbasin, we can propose it as Nilab. Nilab is another name in the Pushto area for Indus River, and then we also propose the name of Khyber.
Rejecting all these names, the ANP has also proposed a few other names.
We have given three choices. One is Aghwania, and the other names are Pakhtunistan and the Pakhtunkhwa, the third name, which was passed by the provincials because it's a historical name of my land.
The delay in constitutional reforms package has already polarized the political forces in the country. If the status quo is not broken, it may turn out to be a loss-loss situation for all political players. For the last 6 months, the Constitutional Reforms Committee has been trying to prepare a consensus-based package. The aim is to cleanse the Constitution of all its impurities. But contending issues and conflicting perspectives make the process time-consuming. One wonders if the decades-old outstanding issues like renaming of the frontier province can be resolved in a matter of months. Shahzad Raza, DawnNews, Islamabad.